Hello, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm the founder of Best of Us Investors. What I want to show you today is the center of my part of Best of Us Investors. I call it my tell sheet. Here it is. What I believe is a stock will tell you what it's going to do if you know the right questions to ask it. And when I say ask it, I'm referring to my AI agent, Samantha, that I built about a year and a half ago and turned my portfolio over to her, $668,000 on May the 1st of 2025. Now, I don't know many, or I have not seen any YouTubers who share their performance with you so that you can figure out, do they know what they're talking about or don't they? So the first thing on the tell sheet I'd point your attention to is down here in the lower corner. It is my performance is explicitly year and a half. We started Samantha, as I said, on May the 1st of 2025 and with $668,000. And then based on today's numbers, that's worth $1,967,000. And that's down today about $20,000 because the market is down. So since Samantha took over the portfolio about 14 months ago, we're up 194%. To give you some relevance to more current, since January the 1st, we're up 48.6. And again, today is a down day. But what I want you to do is become familiar with how I manage my portfolio and then how I share it with my tribe members. I have in my portfolio 40 stocks. Not all of them do I hold shares right now, but I'm following very closely. And here are their ticker symbols, their current price, their industry, their market cap, the PE ratio. And then I come over here, and this is where the AI comes in. Basically, what I ask AI to do is tell me if a stock has a reasonable possibility of achieving 100% ROI, return on an investment, from today's price. And so that says at 3 years, January of 2029, will AAOI receive or achieve 100%? And our analysis comes from a prompt that I run through OpenAI, through Samantha. It's 24 pages long. Why is it so long? Because I've spent a year and a half asking and figuring out, what does a company look like before it takes off? What did Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, and Nvidia look like before they took off? So that if I can get that template, then I can figure out what their price is going to be in the future. And if I can then project it forward, we can do it. So then we come down, let's look at ALPD. This is a stock I've made a ton of money off of, and am continuing to. You can see its current price is $27.97. It's projecting, or Samantha's projecting, it will end the year at 55. Which would be a 96% return. It's then going in 2028 to 90, which would be a 221% return. And then it goes into 2029 at 135, which gives me a 385% return on my investment. So that's kind of how the whole thing goes. With that, I then also share with my tribe members, how many shares of each of these stocks do I own? What's that represent as an investment? And how much of my portfolio is allocated to each and every one of these stocks? Because that's as I did a white paper just recently, that's a big part of it, is she's going to be wrong sometimes. What you don't want is to be over allocated into any one stock where she's wrong, because if you are, you're going to get hurt hard. So I look at this and say, and you can see, I think the largest allocation is probably Iran. That's the data center company. And as you can see, based on my cost basis, I'll end up making about 340% on it come January 1st of 2027. And as you can see, this year I'll make 45% in the next 6 months, then 118, and then 194. And again, that's not what I make. That's what you would make if you bought it today at $41.27. Now, this price changes as the price changes on the market. So what you'll see is right now there's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 of my tribe members on this site. And what they do is every day come and say, okay, based on what's happening in the market, I see a stock that we like and it's down substantially. If I buy it today, how good is it? Let's look at this stock, ONDS. I did a report last week indicating that this and 4 other stocks were involved in a short squeeze. And sure enough, INDO has come down. It's in the drone business. It makes autonomous drones, and it's indicating that it's going to give it from its $8.25. It's going to go to 15 by the end of the year, and then 22, and then 30, which would give me, which would give you, if you bought it today, a 263% return between now and January the 1st of 2029. So that's how we look at it. We look for stocks that present opportunity. As I said, we recognized last week that let's see, it was CoreWeave and ONDS and Nebitus and SMCI that were involved in a short squeeze. And sure enough, all of them dropped dramatically once the short squeeze was over, and gave us some good opportune prices to buy in at. So that's how this tell sheet works. My tribe members come to it on a daily basis. If they have questions about it, they go to the Discord and ask a question, and I give them an answer. And then on a more of a open basis, every Friday I host about a 2-hour stock talk, and it's on Zoom, and they ask questions, and we go through this, and I explain my trades from the Discord. Every trade I make, I notify them. I have on the Discord Kerry's office, and then I also have a section called Kerry's Trades. So they're up to date with what I'm doing. This is not financial advice. This is a window into my portfolio. And why would you want to look into the window on my portfolio? And I would suspect it has something to do with this. And that is year to date, I'm up 48%. Since I implemented this, I'm up 194. That's been as high as about 205. So that's why I think some people are interested. Then I have what I call my watch list, because the other element of what we do is what we call Ask Samantha. I have done this for over a year now, where I feed a ticker symbol to Samantha, my AI agent, and ask her, what is this stock going to do? And she makes it. And so now we have made this available to our tribe members. So as you can see here, we have 528 reports on our webpage, where you can come in and enter any ticker symbol you want, and Samantha will give you an analysis of that stock. Let me give you an example of one of them. Here's somebody wanted to know what McDonald's was going to do. So the analysis comes in and says that the price is going to go from 325 to 360 to 400, and then it rates the stock based on its performance. It gives it a Wall Street rating of 53 out of 100 and a bus thesis, that's us, of 55 out of 100. So for me, this isn't a stock I would buy. There isn't enough confidence there that it is going to achieve the level of gain that I want. And you would, if you went back to my tell sheet, you won't find McDonald's on there. Why? Because right now, the opportunities to invest are in AI. AI is going to change the world. I just today bought more of Remax. Remax is growing extraordinarily fast. REAX, selling for $2.77, and we're projecting that it'll go to $6 by the end of this year, $9 by the end of 2027, and $13, which would give you, based on today's price of $2.77, 369% return on your investment with an 85 confidence level. And this is the deep dive. It's a audio version of what Samantha and Bard found, and it was updated on August the 6th. So it's pretty current. And as I say, I just bought more of it today. I own about 22,000 shares of it. So that's how it works. I want you, as an investor, as probably a not well-educated investor, to have access to this information. And I want you to be comfortable with it and feel that this will make a difference in your life. So I'm offering you a month. Come experience it. Come to the Discord. Hear what other people are saying. Take their guidance. Learn our system. And if at the end of the month you think that this will make you a better investor, you sign up. We charge you $60 a month to have access to this. And as you can see, thus far this year, we're up 48%. I think that's, if it falls out, we'll get close to 100% before the end of the year. So that's what I have to offer. I hope it can help you. I hope it can make you a better investor.